YouTube, welcome to my channel. I want to do a quick video right quick to show you guys how to get in-app hack coins for free with the new jailbroke of Cydia 11.3.0, I believe, and under can get jailbroken. My phone is already jailbroken. I already jailbroken it and tweaked it out a little bit. If you guys wanted to know how to jailbroke your phone and what sources I use and how I tweaked out my phone to get the different stuff that's going on up there, send me a comment below and I will go ahead and do that video for you guys. But I just wanted to get this one out really quick because I know you guys are so excited about jailbreaking your phone, and I wanted to show you guys how to get coins and stuff for free. So first you would have to go to Cydia because there are two sources you would need to add. So let's go to Cydia really quick. Return to Cydia. I just finished installing it in my phone, so I know it works. So first you would have to go to sources, and then you would click edit. Now I already have these sources in my phone. I am just doing this for the purpose of the video. You click add, and then the first source would be repo.hackyouriphone.org. And then after you add that source, you go ahead and click add source. But I already have that source added, so I won't add that anymore. Then you hit cancel, and then you hit add again, and you will add the second source, which is Cydia.kiimo. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. .org, and hit add source and go through the process of that. Again, I already have that source added, so then after that, click done. I always hit refresh because I want to make sure that it's in there. So after that, I hit refresh. After refresh, you hit return to Cydia. Then you hit search, and the name you will type in is the local IAP store, which is right here. As you can see, it's checked because I already have it installed. So you would hit that one, and then it would say install here. But because I already have it installed, it says modify. But if you don't have it installed, you will hit install right there and go through the process and install it, and then restart your Springboard. And then once your Springboard is restarted, you will go back and then you will go into settings, and then you go down until you find the local IAP store right there. And then the first one is where you want to enable it. The second one is just to generate a receipt. I don't ever click that because I don't need the receipt apparently. So make sure the first one is on, toggled on. Make sure that's toggled on. And then you come out of it and you go into a game. I know for sure Subway Surfers give you free coins. I don't know exactly which one works all the time, but not all games. It doesn't work on all games. So hit go on Subway. Wait for it to load, and then we hit shop, and then we hit store. Say we want to add this coins, add, it's connecting. Once that come up, you don't do nothing else but hit cancel. Once you hit cancel, boom, you guys, we got coins, and that's how it's done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this is for the new Electra jailbreak for 11.3.0 and under. Any iPhone that's 11.3 can be jailbroken and under, and then you can get this app to get the hacked coins for free. Boom, your girl got you. But anyway, go ahead and hit comment, subscribe, and like my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.